sound. So whenever you need, we just close it. Okay. Because you're gonna need the space to put your candles and your wax pots and all that can stand there basically. So yeah, for the other part,
Oh, I see.
we have to do the screws. Yeah, so we have all the screws. Let's twist the bed over. Let's flip it over. Okay. Ay, nakikita niya. Ano po na? Ano na flip yo? Yung ay, ano si Dave? Kaya. Kasi yung ano, na push it. This one so the was. Asal dito. Come on, come on. Eso amo sa flip yo. Baso si screw. Kasi sa atas mo siya. Oh, wow. Yeah. Hindi dia. Yeah. Ako pa dan. Something's up. It's like that. You see, oh. Nasa yun. Tingnan mo pala, twist na. Okay. Ang alis siya lang sa alimin sa katalong. Wait, no, Nimetsu.
The thing is, sometimes it's not really like broken. It's just
Yeah, cook na pala di ba? Kung tagal na sumanaw, naglakan di okay siya. Matala started up me.